चीनी इसमें क्या? ठीक है भैया को बनाया है पापा।
उनमें थोड़ी सा और ऐड करो। यस। ओके। Adi, quickly tell me present tense. Give me two examples, sentences.
Present tense.
Hmm.
I am I am like doing a work, but it would be present continuous.
Yeah, I'm not asking continuous. I'm asking
Yeah,
simple present tense.
I have done my work.
Mm-mm. Have done. Have or has we use in present?
S or ES.
Yes. Adi, S or ES? Harshit, give me one example.
Mm, he has been studying for past 2 hours.
No, dear.
Present perfect.
See, he has been studying me. Has been studying, you are telling me fourth form. I am
No,
asking simple present
he
tense.
has he
I
has studied.
Mhm. What do we do in simple present tense?
The
uh,
rule is S subject plus SES plus V1 plus object.
V1, yes. You are telling me the correct rule. But then how do we frame it? I told you in simple present tense. Adi, look at the screen. Adi, how many actions do we have in simple present tense? These three.
ma'am, one.
Yeah,
3.
three. So, in simple present tense, you're talking about things which happen on a regular basis or which are habitual in nature. Basically, only habitual actions or universal truths and facts. Adi goes to school every day. Kamya teaches English every day. Harshit studies maths once a week. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं होता. It's just that look at the rule for simple present tense. Subject plus V1 plus SES or IES. IES is missing here. We also had IES. Like Kamya studies English. IES. So we add only S, ES or IES to the verb. Adi, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And in continuous tense, we use ing. Adi
Yeah.
is speaking to Kamya. Harshit and Adi are studying. Children are
Okay.
enjoying in rain. Okay? And the sentence that you were telling me, Harshit, has been wala. That is present perfect
Oh,
continuous.
continuous.
ठीक है क्योंकि मैंने
Everything
आपको
combined.
यस आई टोल्ड यू वन थिंग कि फोर्थ फॉर्म में एक न्यू मेंबर ऐड हो जाता है फैमिली में दैट इज बीन.
Been.
आदि हैज बीन टॉकिंग टू हिज फ्रेंड सिंस मॉर्निंग और उसमें हम सिंस और फॉर भी यूज करते हैं. ऑल्सो आई मेड अ पॉइंट वेरी क्लियरली विद ऑल माई स्टूडेंट्स दैट देर इज अ वेरी yeah, like there's a difference between since and for, and it is one of the major concerns. Adi,
Yeah.
can you tell me the difference? Adi will tell me.
Ma'am, since we use when we are talking about the first action,
First action, as in
as in, ma'am, he is studying since 3 hours. Like, he's
then
studying,
why not for three
No, that
hours?
would be
ma'am. For is for is used for like I can't remember for you told the previous class for, but uh, since is used for the first action and for
Mm-hmm.
use like
No, no. First second
ma'am.
ka
Can I
yes.
tell?
Yes, Harshit, please tell.
Ma'am, since is used when like the time it started is given,
Very good.
and for is used when like the time period it has been done. Like he's
Yes.
been studying from
Duration.
1 2 hours.
Yes. Adi, good Harshit that you remember. Adi, listen to me now. And Harshit, you also listen. You told me the correct thing. Adi, since and for. ऐसे याद रखो when we are talking about starting point of an action.
oh yeah, yes, I like so it said starting
It's
action.
okay, it
It will
happens. And like when we are learning a lot of things, you are tend to, confuse between few. But since your exams are very near, I cannot afford you forgetting things. ठीक है? So you have to remember the things that we are discussing in class. तो देखो ये भी ना ट्रिक्स मैंने बहुत इजी जो मुझे लगता है कि बच्चों को ठीक लगेगा समझने में कि एस से स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ एन एक्शन एंड एस से सिंस. फॉर हम कब यूज करते हैं जब मुझे एक स्पेसिफाइड पीरियड दे रखा है. दैट्स ऑल. नथिंग एल्स. And आप दोनों में तो I think you both Adi, you are also in heritage and he is also in heritage, but I think you are in different heritage.
I'm in Heritage Rohini.
Yeah, I'm in Vasant Kunj Heritage.
अच्छा, you are in Rohini one, Adi. Okay. Okay. And he is in 8th and Adi also. है ना, 8th में ही हो ना दोनों?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, I got confused with among other students. Yeah. ठीक है. Now is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Present
ma'am.
perfect continuous. Kamya has been teaching since morning. Morning मतलब starting point मुझे दे रखा है कि वो सुबह से पढ़ा रही है, so I will not use for. I will use since. But if I convert
Okay.
the sentence and if I say, okay, Adi, you convert it and use for in this sentence.
Like it can be in the starting point it be he's doing a work since 3 hours
Mm-hmm.
and
He's doing his work since 3 hours.
Since 3 hours we cannot use. For 3 hours because 3 hours means specific time period हो गया कि 3 hours are given.
okay, like mainly you're saying कि जिसमें specific time
Starting
दिया
point बताना है, हाँ. He has been doing his work since afternoon. Yes, since he has been waiting for me since last night. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ
understood.
आदि कि आपको सिर्फ starting point of action बताना है, आपको ड्यूरेशन नहीं बताना. ठीक है. अच्छा, last thing I want to discuss before I begin with the discussion of tenses. Past perfect tense. Who will explain me past perfect tense?
Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is subject plus has or no. Had,
Look at this. Please read this. Adi, you will read
had,
this. Past perfect tense.
It is like subject had V3 and object.
No, read the explanation. Used to describe an action.
Describe an action completely before a certain movement. In the past, usually a long time ago. If two actions happened in the past perfect is used to show the action that took place earlier, like the first action.
कुछ याद आया? क्या explain कर रहा था
yes, ma'am.
मैंने? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Adi,
That had is used in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
second action.
Adi,
Ma'am,
can
it
you?
would
It's the first
like
action.
he had ma'am work का work like what would be the third form of work? Would it be
Worked.
worked? So he had worked for no forward for come in this.
Mhm.
No.
He had worked
बेसिकली हमेशा ना पास्ट परफेक्ट के लिए एक एग्जांपल याद रखा करो, मूवी वाला जो मैंने आपको दिया था. द मूवी हैड स्टार्टेड बिफोर वी एंटर्ड द हॉल और बिफोर वी रीच द मूवी हॉल.
Yeah, the
past
had is
describe
used
the
in the
first
first
not
action.
यस यस. मैं आपको फिर से एक बार हिंदी में समझो, दोनों समझो, क्योंकि ये देखो दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टेंस. टेंसेस में एवरीथिंग इज इंपॉर्टेंट बट दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टेंस. इसमें क्या होता है आदि, लुक हियर, वी हैव
yes, ma'am.
मोर देन टू एक्शंस. पहली बात तो है देयर शुड बी मोर देन टू एक्शंस दैट दे हैव रिटन. Used to describe an action completed before a certain moment in the past, and two actions are happening. One action is taking place before the other action. Obviously, sometimes things.
Ma'am,
Yes, Adi.
it describes the first action, no? So it describes the first action, and we use the second action as the object.
Yeah, so basically the first action that is there, you use had with it. Had is always used with the first action. ये चीज याद
First action.
रखो, you have to remember this. For
Yes,
example,
ma'am.
the patient had died before the doctor arrived. Let me just write it down and you will explain me.
Mom, so this sentence is wrong. He had not completed his work because there's only one action.
हाँ बेटा, he had not completed तो गलत हो जाएगा.
Yes. Okay.
अगर वन एक्शन तो हम सीधा सिर्फ लिखेंगे like we will use only simple past tense that he did not complete his work, he did not mention this or he did not do this, है ना? But when we are talking about more than two actions, then first action takes had with it. So
Okay.
the
Yeah.
patient had
Had
died
died
before
before
the doctor
arrived.
arrived. Please look at this sentence. Adi,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
is this sentence correct? देखो हो सकता है मैंने गलत भी लिखा हो sentence. Both of you. This is
Patient died before the doctor arrived. Yeah, ma'am, it's correct. Like, it is describing the first action. Like, the patient had already died before the doctor arrived. Like, the doctor didn't arrive. It is the second action. That doctor would arrive.
yes,
The doctor didn't arrive first. The patient died first. So it would be,
exactly.
it is describing the first action. So it is correct.
Good, very good. This is what I was trying to explain. ये भूलने वाली बात ही नहीं क्योंकि देखो जितना मैं सिंप्लीफाई कर सकती थी आई हैव डन इट ऑन माय पार्ट कि देयर आर टू एक्शंस. फर्स्ट एक्शन विल बी द वन वेयर वी विल बी यूजिंग हैड. फर्स्ट एक्शन के साथ हम हैड यूज करते हैं और सेकंड एक्शन के साथ हम हैड नहीं यूज करते, हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस यूज करते हैं.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Same as with movie when the movie had started before I arrived.
Before I
Similarly,
arrived.
now I will give one sentence and you will write the answers separately. You will not speak out the answers, both of you, because I have to check whether you have understood or not. So you will not speak the answers unless I ask you to. Please write the answer somewhere and you will show it to me on screen. I'm giving this question. Okay, just a minute. How do I remove this? Have you both seen the question that I've given?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
So what's the question? Read the question.
Before we dash at the station, the children dash.
Now, past tense. First thing that you will remember, Adi, there is more than one action happening.
Yeah,
Harshit,
ma'am.
second thing that we will remember, one action takes place before the other action.
Other action.
Adi, what is the third thing that I will remember for past perfect tense?
Ma'am, to use the third form of the verb.
That is fine. But I will use had with the first action.
First action.
Now let's look at the question. Please read the question, Harshit.
Before we dash at the station, the children dash.
So, ma'am, should I tell?
Both will tell. Okay, let's start with Adi. Adi, tell me the answer.
Before we had arrived at the station, the children left or leave. Left, I think so. The children left.
Okay. Harshit, can you tell me the answer?
Before we had arrived at the station, the children left.
Can both of you tell me what is the first action here and what is the second action here?
Ma'am, the first action is
Before
arriving.
we arrived at the station.
बेटा हाउ इसका हिंदी में क्या मतलब हुआ है सेंटेंस का?
Ma'am, like
हिंदी में मुझे हिंदी में समझाओ, इंग्लिश छोड़ो। क्या हो रहा है
हम
सेंटेंस?
जब स्टेशन पे अराइव करे तब तक चिल्ड्रन चले गए थे।
वेरी गुड, तब तक बच्चे जा चुके थे। पहले क्या
oh,
हुआ?
okay, okay,
Now,
I understood. And understood.
now
It would
listen
be
to me.
before we
I
Had
played.
arrived
left.
at the station,
Had
the
left.
children had left
Yes.
because
Now,
the children already left.
Yeah.
yeah, and you know what happened? I just played a trick on you. Matlab, I just reversed the order. That's all. Because I wanted to check whether you are doing it mindfully or not. That's all. So it will be before we
Arrived.
Had before
arrived,
we arrived at the station, the
the
children
children
had left.
had left. ठीक है? अब मुझे देना कैसे चाहिए था? Technically, I would have written the children had left before we arrived at the station. तब आपका आंसर ठीक होता बिल्कुल, I know. But since I reversed it, you got confused. तो हिंदी में हमेशा जो भी सेंटेंस उसको हिंदी में सोचो कि पहले क्या हो रहा है, पहले बच्चे गए या पहले मैं पहुंचा, एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर। पर अगर हम ये सोचेंगे ना कि नहीं जो पहला ब्लैंक होगा उसी में हैड आएगा, तो फिर टीचर भी प्ले कर सकती है। गेटिंग इट? तो यू हैव टू बी
Yes.
क्लियर विद द कंसेप्ट। इज देयर एनी डाउट्स नाउ?
No, ma'am.
पक्का?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
हंस रहे हर्षित। आदि, एनी डाउट्स?
No.
ओके, चलो गुड। नाउ लेट्स क्विकली डू वन वर्कशीट, उसके बाद वी विल डू लिटरेचर। एंड हर्षित, फॉर यू आल्सो डियर, वी कैन सी ईदर आई विल डू रिपोर्टेड स्पीच विद यू, आई विल शेयर द पीडीएफ, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू फ्यू थिंग्स, अदरवाइज वी विल डू लिटरेचर फॉर बोथ। ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके। Oh, I have to remove this. So you always check which action is taking place first, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
चलो ये करते हैं, this will be interesting. Type of tense used. I might have done this with you guys. I don't remember actually. But
No, ma'am.
this will give you a clarity. You can see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a moment. I think now it's fine. Adi, you can see my screen? Okay, you have to identify the tense. Please start. Question 1, Adi.
Diamond drinks coffee every morning. So, like, he drinks every morning, but he present tense, simple present tense, he drinks coffee every morning.
Yes.
Good. So that is a habitual action, right? Simple present
Yes.
tense. Okay. Harshit, is there any doubt? Diamond drinks
No, ma'am.
coffee every morning. I was talking about
Yeah,
the
because there's S.
S. So you either add S, IES or ES.
IS or ES.
Fine. Now,
Yes.
second sentence, Harshit, that's for you. The boy got a plate and missed the bus.
Mm. Past. Simple past.
Very good. Adi, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope there is no confusion that there are two actions because they are referring to the same time. They are referring to the same time. That's why. Okay? Okay, third one. My mother goes to pray in the temple.
My mother goes to pray in the temple. Goes. So, it would be simple past. Goes.
Goes. जाती है मेरी mother.
Ma'am, it would be
Habit
like
हुआ,
it's a
हुआ.
habitual action.
हाँ.
It is a habitual action. So,
तो
present only. Simple present.
हाँ, simple present. Good. Harshit,
Okay.
do you agree? Simple present. My mother goes to pray in the temple.
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit, I hope you're not getting any like confusion or something,
No,
feel
ma'am.
free to ask.
Okay.
See, these things are new for you, so please don't hesitate to ask, okay?
Yes.
Okay, Adi. No, whose turn? Harshit, your turn.
My, yeah. I, it's supposed to be present, I guess.
ठीक जा रहे हो? Continue. मतलब like just think.
Present continuous.
Very good. Is playing. I told you one
Yeah.
thing. ing जहां पे भी आएगा वो continuous है ही है. That is there. And continuous is also called Adi. Continuous tense is also called. You are on mute.
Present continuous.
नहीं.
Or no, they are also called progressive.
Very good. Progressive tense, yes. Harshit, you also remember this. I don't know whether I told you this or not. Present continuous tense, like continuous tense is also called progressive tense. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, the team is playing. So is playing is present continuous. The school will be closed for winter break. Which tense? Will be closed. Simple. मतलब will आ गया तो future tense है. ing नहीं है तो future continuous नहीं है. ing नहीं है तो.
Ma'am, I am telling or
You will tell Adi. It's your turn.
okay. So the will simple future will be
Very good.
closed.
Yes, simple future. Okay, next one. Leonard graduated from college last year.
Ma'am, it would be past tense. Present past tense.
Present
Past,
yes.
present, past.
Present मतलब जो अभी हो रहा है.
Sorry.
Past tense. Simple past tense. ठीक है? The baby has eaten. Very important now. Please tell me. Adi, it's your turn. Has eaten.
The baby has eaten. Has eaten would be past. Simple past has eaten.
Eaten is third form. और has और have हम किस में use करते हैं? We use has or have in perfect. Present perfect tense.
Simple perfect. Yeah, sorry. So simple. Sorry.
Present perfect tense.
Past present perfect has eaten.
Harshit, you also focus on this one. We use in present perfect में जो action अभी अभी खत्म हुए, जो action अभी
Yes.
अभी बस finish हुए. So I have just eaten my lunch.
Eaten.
ठीक है? The baby has eaten. So has और have जहां पे भी आएगा along with third form. Third is eaten. Eat is the base form. Eat. Ate is the second form. And third is eaten. ठीक है? Have you read Pride and Prejudice?
Simple present.
Yes. Have you read? Okay. Adi, ninth one. They've written, have you read Pride and Prejudice? Adi, are you there? Since it says have here, so they have written present perfect tense. Have you read? So read is the third
Yes,
form.
actually, I was not able to open my mic.
Okay, no problem. Have you read Pride and Prejudice will be present perfect only, Harshit.
Have.
Because they've written have. Okay?
Okay.
Ninth one. Adi, you will tell me
The
quickly.
train has just left the station.
Harshit, would you try ninth one?
Has. So
Has
that has
just
would be
left.
continuous perfect.
Perfect,
Present
present perfect. Continuous में तो
Present.
ing आता है. We don't have ing here.
Present continuous perfect. Okay.
No, only present perfect. Just left.
Present perfect.
The 10th one, you tell me, Harshit.
Present perfect because it has in it.
Yes.
It has.
No, 10th one. The sick child has been sleeping for 3 hours.
Okay. Oh, this is present continuous